Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to change our location, our region on Playstore. This is an easy process to do. The first step is go to the Playstore, and here in Playstore you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of your bubble, and this bubble is the part of your profile. You need to pick your payments and subscriptions, and here in payments and subscriptions you need to go to payment methods, and here in payment methods you need to pick in the last option where set more payment settings. So here you need to pick in the superior left corner for change your region, and when you do that you will pay with cards or accounts of that region, of this new region. But if you want to change, you need to go here in the left superior left corner, and here you need to pick in configuration. This is settings, and here in settings, if you by the way, if you want to translate the page, you need to pick here in these 3 points of in your page, and you pick in translate, and you can translate that to English. You pick here, and more language, you pick English, and you can translate the page. So here for change the region, you need to pick in the option of country and region, and you need to create a new profile of payment for change the region, and you can do the new cards and the new accounts. This is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.